So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add color to old images or to black and white images here on Canva using Canva desktop. So once Canva is opened up for this demonstration, I'm going to go to elements right here. I'm going to search photos and I'll just search up black and white just to see if I can get an old photo or an old looking photo. So I'll use this photo right here of a bunch of different flowers. This should probably work actually perfectly. Once you have a photo that's black and white, simply just go to the left-hand side here, press on Apps. Once the Apps page is opened up, you can go to Colorize right here and press on that. Add color to old images, it's right here. I'm just going to go ahead and press Open right here. And that takes a couple seconds. What you can actually do is select a grayscale photo and update that yourself. So it doesn't seem to be working quite the way I was expecting it to. But what I'll actually do is I'll upload this photo into the choose file. I'll come back once it's uploaded. So yeah, as I suspected, you actually have to press on the photo right here and then press on colorize and replace, which I'll do right now. It'll take a couple of seconds just to get the image generating to a different color. So as you can tell, it has now actually changed the color to these yellow, pink, whatever. It looks perfect actually. This is just a prime example of making a photo that's black and white or an old photo, updating that to what it could be nowadays or just adding some color to it as you saw in this example. So super simple, but that is how you guys can add color to old photos here on Canva using Canva Desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.